Greetings, I'm Nora, and welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into our energy to see what the heck is going on. Gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. I appreciate every last one of you. Take what resonate, leave what does not. Okay? I could be speaking to a masculine. It could be a feminine energy. All right? Okay. So let's go and get into it and see what y'all got going on. We're going to be pulling from the Divine Headquarters to ink everything off for us. What's happening, though? What's going on? Oh, man. What's happening? What's going on with the YouTube collective? What's happening? Y'all passed the spiritual test. Spiritual test passed. Congratulations. Congratulations, you guys. Y'all passed some sort of spiritual test. Okay? It's like you guys are ascending to the next level or getting ready for the next level or something like that. There's energy of enlightenment here. You guys have gained some sort of enlightenment or something like that. You've learned some sort of lesson. Clarify the spiritual test. What's going on with the YouTube collective in regards to the spiritual test that was passed? Okay, it seems like you guys were connected to someone that possibly was fitness obsessed. I'm seeing like there was an energy of possibly some sort of unhealthy body image. I'm seeing eating disorder, someone that prioritized gym over everything else, pressures other with their fitness ideals. All right, so it seems like you were connected to someone that was fitness obsessed. I feel like whoever this person is possibly wanted you to be like them. I feel like this person possibly even was doing some sort of, I was going to say fat shaming. Fat shaming. I feel like overall this person was very disrespectful in some form of fashion as well. I feel like there was some sort of emotional, mental, as well as possibly spiritual abuse or some sort of spiritual attacks, which is a lesson that you had to learn. I feel like this person taught you possibly your self worth, heading to where you learned your self worth in some form of fashion. Let's go ahead and clarify this a little bit further. Clarify this fitness obsessed energy. Clarify this fitness obsessed energy, please, Spirit. For the Divine Space family, friends, and collective, what is going on? Fitness obsessed. Autumn could definitely be significant. Fitness obsessed. It looked like there was possibly some sort of communication. Okay, there was some sort of communication about closing a cycle or ending something out, wrapping something up, placing something in the past, the suffering, the lack as well, you putting it behind you. But yeah, clarifying this fitness obsessed individual, I'm seeing there was some sort of communication. Okay, seems like you were intuitively led to say some things or intuitively led to let this person go and go alone and wrap up this cycle. I'm seeing there has possibly been some sort of change, especially in regards to the way that you communicate with this person. Maybe a lot of things you possibly didn't used to say, and you've reached some sort of breaking point and you said everything. No filter is what I'm seeing here. You had no filter. Like I stated before, autumn months could definitely be significant. September, October, November could definitely be significant. All right, let's go ahead and clarify the spiritual test that's passed. Clarify spiritual tests. Clarify the spiritual test, please, Spirit. Spiritual test. Okay, I did just see the Six of Wands. All right, clarifying the spiritual test. It seems like you was definitely connected to someone that may have been an Earth sign, strong Taurus, or could be Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. It seems like this person was very materialistic, very dull, preoccupied with money and things like that. Oh, they're trying to close out my throat chakra. Preoccupied with money. Uh, they don't want me to talk. This individual is very materialistic and be preoccupied with money, but whole time does not know how to manage money. I feel like there is an energy of this person that possibly doesn't. This person don't know how to be alone. Maybe they don't like to be alone, but I'm definitely seeing an energy of loneliness. This could also talk about an energy of them placing you into some sort of energy of feeling lonely, isolation, very reclusive. I feel like this person may be reclusive or recluded as well. I'm seeing an energy of anti-social and restrictive, restricting you. Devil energy. I'm definitely seeing an energy of bondage out here. I'm seeing a lot of secrets that this person has been hiding. I'm seeing an energy of obsession. and a lot of cheating. But again, it results and revert back to this person being real materialistic, hypersexual, and I feel like this person find it very hard to let go of power. They have a negative thinking, very pessimistic energy is what I'm seeing here. Spiritual test. And I'm seeing unrealistic expectations and plans. Very arrogant. Fails to deliver, make promises that they don't keep, have a lack of foresight and future planning. It seems like this person might be operating out of their self node. And you could possibly even have a child with this person or something like that. Because I'm seeing with the Ten of Cups, it look like there were possibly some sort of children, which is family or something like that. You could have been married to this person or something like that with the Ten of Cups. Clarify the spiritual test. What's going on with the spiritual test? The number 15 could be significant. The number 6 could be significant as well. Clarify the spiritual test, please, Spirit. Spiritual test. And I'm seeing conflict. I'm seeing conflict within a family dynamic or family connection or something like that. With this Five of Wands and the Ten of Cups. I'm seeing arguments, disagreements. Somebody in the Nine of Swords, a lot of like regret, remorse, anxiety, possibly even fear. Okay? Someone being very unhappy and stressed the fuck out. Oh, my nose is itching. Spiritual test. Oh my goodness. I feel like whoever this person is, remember back in the day, it, I ain't gonna say this person taking steroids. We're not gonna say that because that's the first thing I thought about was this person taking steroids because I was thinking about back in the day, possibly the things that they're taking, possibly the steroids or whatever that they're on might be making them very aggressive or hyper. I don't know, or they could just simply be them. I'm not. Let me not make up no excuses for them. What's going on with this spiritual test? The spiritual test. And I see an energy of you guys being patient, especially when it comes to like building something, okay? Possibly making money. I'm seeing you hard at work and being dedicated towards some sort of success, focusing on some sort of accomplishment regarding this connection that you have with this person, with this Three of Pentacles. I'm seeing you guys may have lived together, having to work together. Look, Empress energy, setting boundaries. Protecting herself, the matriarch, spiritual test passed. Number 3 can be significant, spiritual test. Yep, and again, it comes out as patience with this temperance angel. I'm seeing an energy of things balancing out. I'm seeing you also calling your energy or taking your energy and power back with this temperance angel. It's almost like an energy of you guys withdrawing and focusing on bringing yourself into some sort of alignment. You get what I'm saying? What's going on? Spiritual test passed. Yep. I feel like this person does nothing more than gossip and tell lies. I'm seeing a very energy of someone being miserable, and that's why they focusing on fitness and obsession and how they look because they're miserable on the inside. And I'm seeing misery enjoys company, and that's why they were making you miserable. Yeah, because it says this is a person that put other people down, and they can't be trusted. Spiritual test passed. Anything else? Yeah, mainly the people that they're in a relationship or connection with and partnerships with. They put them down. I'm saying they put definitely put you down, and I see that there's a breakup. There's a severance of ties with whoever this person is, with this person that you were dealing with. Okay, and I feel like it possibly was some sort of difficult choice to make, but you definitely made the choice. It was a decision that was needed to be made. Okay, it's almost like an energy you facing your fears, especially when it comes to this person. All right, I'm seeing like there is some sort of message. I don't know if you sent them a message or something like that. I don't know, maybe there's energy of communication, but definitely showing that I'm seeing like this person possibly thought you were gullible. Yeah, they thought you were gullible because you are an energy that sacrifice for other. You care a lot. You care for other people, and this person seen this as a weakness for you. Okay, that's too many spirit. With this Queen of Cups in reverse, you could possibly have water in your chart. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Yeah, yeah, they thought that you were going to be gullible, or they thought you were gullible. They took your kindness for weakness. I'm seeing an energy of someone feeling left out in the cold. They thought that they can treat you negatively and you weren't going to do anything about it. I'm also seeing you guys have some sort of new financial beginning. There is some sort of new beginning. Okay, remember I seen you working previously before, working on your finances, overcoming some sort of fears, and it seems like this is the all working out for you with this Ace of Pentacles. Speaking of prosperity, it seems like you're very prosperous, and I see you overcoming this obstacle. There's an energy of victory here, clarifying this spiritual test, especially when it comes to this person that moves with a lot of passion, that wants you to do whatever they tell you to do. I feel like this person badmouth you. There's an energy of possibly trying to treat you like a doormat, very bitchy, arrogant, betrayal, you know, type of energy. This person could curse a lot. And I see you just withdrawing your energy and moving on with the Eight of Cups, letting go. There's an energy of you escaping whatever this is to be happy with the Four of Wands. This could be something that you may even manifest it as well. Okay, because I'm seeing you having all the tools internally and externally, you trusting your intuition with the High Priestess. You could have possibly even received some sort of spiritual insight, got a tarot reading, or you possibly do tarot readings, but I'm definitely seeing you walking away or have walked away. And I'm seeing an energy of you celebrating. There's energy of happiness. I'm seeing festivities. I see the Wheel of Fortune here is, this is an energy of good luck, good karma. Fate. It was fated for you to, take your energy and power back. And I'm seeing with you moving forward, I'm seeing you receiving I'm seeing a lot of generous people around you. I'm seeing people that there's energy of generosity. I'm seeing energy of you receiving assistance, donation, money, support, employment even. Some people might even be like offering job, offering you anything that you need. Anything you need, let us know type of energy. All right. Yeah, because with this Lovers card, it was a choice was required to be made, especially when it comes to a relationship or a connection that you have with this person. Judgment has been called. It was time for some sort of renewal. And Spirit wants you to stand in your own independence, separate from whoever this person is. It's work and the healing that they need to, focus on. And instead of them healing it, they're projecting it on other people and hurting other people in the process. Okay? That's what I'm seeing here. Anything else in regards to the spiritual test? And I see you receiving some sort of good news. Clarifying this Nine of Pentacles is you being independent, financially stable, secure. I'm seeing you obtaining profit. I'm seeing you getting some sort of message or some sort of good news, especially in regards to some sort of decision. There's a decision. Wait a minute. What is this choice? Because I'm seeing you having a choice to make. What is this? Clarify spiritual test with this choice. Clarify this choice. Yeah, it seems like it was long overdue, okay, with this Knight of Pentacles. It's some sort of wish fulfillment, all right? Yeah, and it looked like this is also like an energy of somebody in regret. Okay, this could be like this person apologizing or coming back into your energy and some sort of regret, possibly wanting to, extend some sort of offer and you just refusing this. This is a missed opportunity. Might be some sort of apology. Yeah, it's coming out as a masculine energy. Yep, they see you happy. They see you happy. Yep, they trying to extend some sort of offer. Oh, yep. Didn't I say that? Emperor, Ace of Cups, Six of Cups. They trying to extend some sort of offer to you. This is from the past. This person didn't do right by you before. They're not going to do right by you now. But this is something that you already learned. I see you still moving forward. They want control and possession with the Four of Pentacles. I'm seeing you moved or being moved to calmer waters. It could be right now or what's to come. That's what I'm seeing here. But I'm definitely seeing there's an energy of you progressing forward. All right. And this person is, they're a hypocrite. They don't even believe that. Yeah, this person is a hypocrite. Not only are they watching you, curious about you, I feel like they only focus about them. They only worried about themselves. And them reaching out to you is because of something that they want out of you. They see that you over here winning. There's an energy of success. There's an energy of victory here. Look, we have the Ace of Swords out here clarifying that. That's all they care about is themselves. But you've already learned the lesson what I'm seeing here with the Hangman. All right? With whoever this person is, you possibly even felt trapped in some form of fashion. Yeah. I'm seeing you going through a total transformation. There's a new beginning here. After letting this person go, I'm seeing unexpected finances, large lump sum of money. I'm seeing solid foundation, and this person is coming in to deceive you, to steal from you. All right, to lie on you with the Seven of Swords energy is what I'm showing here. Fire could definitely be significant, but I'm seeing things working out in your favor. So yeah, we don't want this person around. It's like this person may be going through some sort of karma. Yeah, there is some sort of sadness, there is some sort of grief, there is some sort of loss because of how they treated you. There's an energy of this person is mourning, they possibly even feeling unwelcomed. You know, at one point in time, you was loving, generous, and kind and caring, and now you just don't give a fuck. That's what I'm saying here. Yep. You over here happy while they're this energy of loss and grief and despair and feeling abandoned. You over there over here in this energy of positivity and freedom. And if you have children, not only you, it's your children as well. You in this energy of your own self-expression, experiencing this good luck and this truthfulness, this openness, this happiness, and the closing of a cycle of what they put you through. You've learned your lesson. You passed the spiritual test, and you left this person in the past in suffering and lack. That's what I'm seeing here. You have a good one.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know.